This is the best everyday carry gun for Alaska. It's a Glock 17. It's a 9mm, but it's perfect for Alaska. If you're looking for an everyday carry gun in Alaska, the Glock 17 is it. You got 17 rounds in the mag, 1 in the chamber. It's perfect for any situation. Multiple attackers, bears, doesn't matter. Everybody tells you, oh, you have to have a 10mm or even a 45 to take down a bear. A 9mm will take down a bear. So, if you're looking for the best everyday carry for Alaska, consider buying yourself a Glock 17.